Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to read some good thoughts. So let us start. Small steps lead to big success. Small steps lead to big success. Focus is the key to learning. Focus is the key to learning. Listen more to learn more. Listen more to learn more. Dream big, study harder. Dream big, study harder. Think before you act. Think before you act. Every day is a good day. Every day is a good day. Dream big, dare to fail. Dream big, dare to fail. Preparation is the key to success. Preparation is the key to success. Where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. Kindness costs nothing. Kindness costs nothing. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend in need is a friend indeed. So friends, today we read some good thoughts. Now write these good thoughts in your notebook neatly. Thank you.